Hi, in this video, we are going to learn second problem of the Python coding. So let's go to the ChatGPT and understand the second problem question, and we can go to the writing the program. This is the coding challenge 2. It is nothing but the palindrome of a string. So a palindrome is nothing but a word that reads in the same forward. For example, here see that madam, we can reverse that word, its same will appear. Same here, hello, if we reverse that, it is not appearing, so it is not a palindrome. It is only here, you only for doing for the string only. So let's get into the hints to so that we can try. As previous program, we use the reverse it. So in that concept, we can use here to check the first word is equal to reversed word or not. So if it is the equal, then it is palindrome, else not a palindrome. Let's go into the problem. Day 2, palindrome. Okay, let's create a simple function. Palindrome, yes, is palindrome. So we have to check it is a string or not. So first we have to reverse it. So let's get into the to reverse that. As I see, to reverse, let's create a variable is equal to s of to reverse the function, sorry, string. Then we can compare. So simply like we can use the uh, if function, or not, simply like return s is equal to reverse. So let's see, like for example, s is equal to reverse, then return true, else false. So let's print this function. Print is palindrome madam, and also use this. First let's run this. I'm running this program. So it is true. Okay, madam is it. If we reverse that, we can also get the same. And let's do test of this above this hello string also. It is false. So by returning same value in reverse order, it is not a palindrome. It is not equal to the reverse, right? It is the reverse string to reverse the string by -1. So let's see how the problem here approaches. Breaking it down into simple terms, like for example, level is also another word to reverse. So that's why it is a palindrome. Python, we can't reverse it. If we reverse, it is not equal to the original one. So we can't say it is a palindrome. Next, go to this versions like approaches. As I said that we have created a small key variable. Here it is create reversed word, and word is nothing but string. So if it is equal, yes, it is a palindrome. If not, here directly printing that it is yes, it is equal, but we use the true or false. Okay, this is also okay. So you are solving this using slicing first. Okay, then as an extra practice, try to solving with a loop without. Okay, let's try to use the loop for now. Okay, normally looping is nothing but it is by iterating each and every character. So we have to use the loop. For example, let's create a variable reverse using loop. So keep it as like that, and keep as this, like initializing the variable by using nothing any characters. So for character in string is like we have to join them, Like we also use the join keyword to this. So let's do this. Reverse is equal to, reverse loop is equal to, it is like we are adding the character with original one. For example, it is a h, so we have to add character h plus and reverse loop. So it is nothing, right? So first goes h, then and sorry, yes, first goes h and then here adding, so h plus nothing, then here it will be h, then again e is going, so then e is adding, so here normally have the h, so it is like reversing word. Like for example, it is, wait, first it goes h, next it goes e, next it goes l, and lastly hello. So it is reversing the thing. So yes, normally as previously I used the if function, we can use that. So let's check the number of approaches for using this palindrome. Is like using slicing, it is a shortest, okay, we have that. Next, using loop, character by character, okay. So it is like solving like difference. If it is not equal to, it is like a simple check half of the word. For example, um, anything that reversing, like for example, madam, here see we have the same keywords, right? M, so it is equal. If it is not equal last word with first letter, then it will be not a palindrome. Here it is only checking that, halving that and using the same last method. So it is like, it is also one of the method we have used, like checking this method, but here simply use it that is like what here, yes, is palindrome, yes, is pal. So let's simply keep as like that, true. So here have to use length of s, okay, we have to divide by 2, then we can get the range, right? Range. So see, it is directly showing that if this is not equal to last character, then it will, we have to say false, and then we can go to the same. See, for example, if s of character is not equal to s of, so length, oh, no, yes, so it is like a minus character plus 1, right? Plus 1, we have to keep in this. So it is nothing but I is better because it is a number, right? So keeping as I is will be easy for us to judge on that. So then is pal is false, then break. Then we have to return pal, or else we can use the here functions, but we have breaker, right? So if it is not, then it is directly, see, if is, sorry, is pal, return f of string is palindrome, or else return it is not a palindrome. Let's check this. I'm running this, we have to comment this, okay. Now we will get false because it is a using hello. Hello is not a palindrome. Okay, that's good. Next, using reversed inbuilt function. So by just using join, because reverse it is like a simple object type, we can't just directly reverse it, so we have to join this. So let's implement that also. So what it is like, if word, sorry, s is equal to, we have to join, right? Dot join, yes, reversed of s, then we can get, and yes, we have to return print palindrome, else not a palindrome. So just like, so we have to return because I am printing here, right? So return, it is a palindrome, else it is not a palindrome. We are simply giving that reversed function. Let's try to run this. It is not a palindrome. Yes, I am using this, right? Next, recursion. Recursion is nothing but like looping in the, like uh, function in function. So it is like a is, and we have to find the length. If it is like a base case, if it is less than 1, directly we have to return true, right? So if same we have used right in above, what in the looping function, plus less, like this is checking on the same side of this, same it is a looping function, but we have used the recursion in the return. So let's try to do this also. Let's keep it in the comments. Okay, so first, the base case is nothing but if the length of the string is less than 1, then we have to return true. Okay, so if length of s is, sorry, less than is equal to 1, then we have to return it is a palindrome. Or else, if yes, it is also showing better as in a recursion way, but we have to use the recursion, so I'm using if. Here also we can dip, but if s of thing is not equal to this, we have to uh, return same in that function. So function is nothing but is palindrome, like it is like decreasing, right? First 0 and -1, next we have to use my 1 and -1, yes, 1 and -1, checking this in part, right? So we have to directly, I think it's over, right? The word, enter a word, and it is okay. So let's run this. Yes. uh, yeah, what's happened is a palindrome. Okay, I think it is a better, yes, it is a palindrome, yes, but we have to not get it is a not a palindrome, right? So return false and return like this. Okay, I have not seen that. False and return is palindrome or not. Yes, false. Yes, this is correct. Because we have you not used main return function, and have used only in the if else, so it is get confused. Next, by using two pointers, so by same as like a recursion and sorry, using looping and same as like that only, but here we used left and right and this zero word like length and things, and if the left of word is not equal to the word of right, then it is a false. Then we have to break that and we have to increase, because here we are using while loop. So this is that, mainly using uh, easy for the slicing for the easy for the beginners, and it is also best for the starting positions. And loop or two pointers, like this is two pointers and loop things same as like that, right? So it is also good for the interviews, and this shows you are using, you know, that built-in. And recursion is like advanced, asking some coding rounds. Okay, so this is are the some examples to test that. Okay, okay, next, try to use the challenges for the next day. Day 3 challenge 3 program. Okay, day 3 is nothing but find the largest number in the list. So in next video we are going to learn about this program. I will definitely improve my audio and also my teaching this or any experience. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.